draw a circle. Fill it with color. Make it frame. Now draw one more circle inside it and set sweep to 33%. Drag a center to outer edge and add corner radius. Now fill it with color. Let's draw an eye of Smiley by draw elongated circle. Select the whole frame and make sure it is set to clip content. Create components of it. Add few variant. Select the smile of first variant and adjust it as per animation. While adjusting the smile of other variants, make sure smile is close to the smile of previous variant in direction you want to animate. Now before adding interactions, just select eyes of one variant and click multi-edit to select all and move it outside frame. Select last one's eyes and bring them into the frame. Now add interactions as shown. Let's see the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give any feedbacks or any animation that you want me to try or wants videos.